Alright guys, so I think we got our sawmill in the mail here, so we're gonna check it out. Oh, look at that. Oh, we got our planer gauge too. In the same box, sweet! From Zozen Chainsaw Mills. Look at that, it says simpler assembly. 3 sizes are used independently. All aluminum. Advanced splicing method. An upgraded handle. Let's pull this baby out and take a peek or two. See what we have here. Look at that. Okay. The manual here. Actually doesn't look terribly bad as far as putting everything together. I'm actually pretty impressed just looking at this for the first time. Considering what I've seen in the past with stuff like this is pretty detailed. Oh, look at that. All right, okay. Well, pretty simple diagram style manual. I'm liking it. So, oops. This isn't sections here. Oh, look at this. They sent wedges, so as you're milling, you can keep the slabs up. This side, that's not part of the kit, that's a planer gauge over. Whoa, look at that, loose set screws, and no indication of where those might go. We'll put them right on top of them. Oop, manual right there. Alright. That was pretty random, no bag or anything in them. I got another one of these guys, must be for the opposite side. Plate. Packaging, splicing kit, additional kit, okay. There. Okay, this is the plastic handle for, oh no, it's not plastic, it's metal actually. Okay, feels like aluminum. It's the handle there, type of skid plate, feels pretty hefty. Let's see what that is. It says, must be the fence. Okay, here's another set screw. Sit that there with the rest of them. Oh, toolkit. Look at that. Comes in a little bag. And this 4 set long screws. Need install on 2 brackets. Ha! Whoops. Here's something else. Oh, another one of these little guys. Look at that. Just loose. Roll. Oh, and another one. Alright, just rolling around, loose in the box. We've got so 6 of these little set screws just randomly loose in the box. A little shake here, make sure we don't miss anything else. Alright, so this looks like the fence assembly. Let's see what's in this little toolkit here. Okay. Multi-directional wrencher knobs there. Okay, some extra giving screws as a backup. It says. Some kind of funny chainsaw looking wrench that isn't ish, maybe. Everyone, bring me my steel over there.
Yes, Dad.
Yeah, this looks like a 13 millimeter. Let's see here. Maybe it is a traditional chainsaw wrench. Ooh. It looks like it's about the same size. Now we'll see. Alright. So for now, folks,